So Foxconn, we have already sold about 80 units throughout the years to Foxconn project, which including one MGS 1200B, 2000B, 1700R, 2000R. So to talk about the customer is a Taiwanese company, and they manufacture semiconductor for Apple, as you all know, Foxconn. They are no hesitate to use a China-made and the new cheap product, and because Foxconn they have a very good technical team, so they can prepare everything. They don't need the supplier to calculate or to preparing, so they very confident to use cheap product as well as they think it is usable. Normally, it is out of our target customer. However, when the Foxconn come to Vietnam, we see that Foxconn is a very big and potential customer. So we try to join, and many competitors always looking for our mistake to jump in. So if we join Foxconn, everything have to be perfect. With the delivery requirement only 3 months, no exclusion, and if the delay, the contract penalty will be applied, and we will not be able to join the bidding next time. So how is the solution? With the rules of three I explained earlier, we know that we have the price disadvantage. So we have to improve our connections and our technical. With the approach, and we establish a very deep connection with the local Vietnamese manager. We promise them that the reliability of MGS, and we persuade them not to use a cheap OEM product, and to keep out the cheap OEM product from joining the project. Miko and me, we have pursued Foxconn to use cooling tower, which is a rare applications of our generators. So we have to persuade them that the cooling tower proved to be superior in the term of generator room ventilations. And by using cooling tower, they require a very careful calculation for pump, for flow, for the heat exchanger, and it is a very big challenge and difficult for the OEM and other competitors to spec in. Because most of the dealer is not so expertise in the field. So when we have successfully persuaded Foxconn to use the cooling tower, only Miko can calculate and provide solutions. With the tremendous support from MHI ESA and also Miko, we took the risk and we do pre-order the project. So we were able to meet the 3-month delivery requirement from the customers. After our successful one project of Foxconn, the other competitors always looking for a chance to claim our mistake. So they always come and see if our generator has any problem, and they report to the Taiwanese manager. So we have to apply an extremely high quality control for installation and for after-sales services. With the years' experience, we have to stop a common failure part to be able to replace for Foxconn in a very short time. So however, there was a time where the 2 unit is out of warranty period, but they have suffered an oil cooler defect and leakage. After inspections, we recognize this is some kind of manufacturing defect. So we, Miko, we had to pay ourselves to replace 2 oil cooler by ourselves. We took only 2 weeks to finish, and we also have to persuade the operator not to report it to the higher managers to keep our reputations. So Foxconn annually they do maintenance, but they invite many other private and China company to do the maintenance, which they propose a very low unit rate. So we have to accept the maintenance price of Foxconn at a price like without any profit, just to keep them away from our generators and to keep the connections with the operator of Foxconn. So the impact to the client and to our business. Foxconn is an unparalleled project reference for us. When it comes to the company profile, it is a very big advantage when we show other customers that we have been able to supply to Foxconn. To be able to win one Foxconn project and maintain our reputation with Foxconn, we have been able to supply to all 10 expansion building, which is almost of 19 units until now. And Foxconn has also introduced Miko to their Taiwanese subsidiary and their partner company. So here is some pictures. We are using cooling towers with our carefully calculated heat exchanger and pump, and all done by Miko team. Here is one of 10 building block, and they build with extremely fast, only 4 to 5 months to finish one of these block, and they finish 2 or 3 block every year. We provide free periodic operators trainings, and we explain to them all the functionalities, all the service methods and inspection methods, and to improve